a.m. wanton destruction is going on, Your Lordship. Houses, girls and women are being pulled out by the police. Lordship is motion bench. Lordship have all the powers to entertain any case we are mentioning before Lordship.
Mr. Chaudhary, there has to be some file.
Lordship,
Yes.
Lordship may permit me, Lordship, to mention a very extraordinary case, Lordship. Very extraordinary case. Lordship, the rule of law is at stake. Lordship, without following the procedures provided in law, Lordship, hundreds of houses are being bulldozed, Your Lordship. I have been receiving frantic calls in the morning, Your Lordship, as a civil society member, as an advocate in this case, Your Lordship. I am mentioning this case for an urgent hearing, Your Lordship, and meanwhile, Lordship, Lordship will exercising power under 226, Lordship, state till this case is taken up, Lordship. From 6 a.m. wanton destruction is going on, Lordship. Houses, girls and women are being pulled out by the police. They have not even gone to bathroom. They were preparing for the school. They have been pulled out. They are on the roads, Lordship. Several lawyers have lost their house, Lordship. Yes, several lawyers have lost their houses, Lordship.
For what reason?
Lordship, according to the authority, we are violating an order passed by CO in which we were neither party, nor notices were served on all the residents. Whereas, Lordship, this is not a case of Public Enforcement Act. This is a case of a special act, that is Digha Acquired Land Settlement Act, Lordship.
So we'll list it tomorrow. How can we stay without a file?
Then Lordship may list it at 12 a.m. Lordship, p.m. or at 2:30, Lordship. Lordship have extraordinary power to stay for 2 hours.
Now that houses have been pulled down.
Not pulled down, being pulled down. There are thousands of houses, Lordship. All houses are being raised. Hundreds of houses have been pulled down. Another 200, 300 houses will be raised. Hundreds, thousands of police.
You give the slip, we will see.
Lordship, at least today it may be hard. Lordship, I will again request at the cost of repetition, Lordship may call.
Show me during lunchtime in the chambers.
Lordship may call the Advocate General. Ask him to stay for 2-3 hours. Supreme Court has a state Jahangirpuri, Lordship, bulldozing for, and 2 persons have died, Lordship. One woman, 1 children. Lordship may stay for few hours only. Lordship, this is the type of request, Lordship, I have last for 6 years I am making for the first time today.
No, I have passed.
Lordship may call for the Advocate General and Lordship ask him to.
We have passed some order for listing today, and how can there be a stay for 2 hours in the air when this court doesn't have any file?
Lordship is motion bench. Lordship is motion bench. Lordship have all the powers to entertain any case we are mentioning before Lordship.
Mr. Chaudhary, there has to be some file.
Filing is already done, effected.
So we have passed some order. We said you come to know after some time.
Today, Lordship, at least then.
Today we have passed.